Hello everybody. In our last demonstration video from Fasten Creative, we showed you how to make envelopes, present envelopes. Today I'd like to show you how to make a last minute small present. Angels. Everybody loves angels. And here we have one in the Christmas tree. I shall take that off and let you see. These are really quick and easy to make with the scoring board and our new pearl paper. Okay, to start with, I've cut 2 pieces of Florence pearl paper, 28 centimetres by 8 centimetres. And with our edge punch, we punch down one side to make the skirt of the angels. Okay, and the other side. These punches are so easy to line up. Just follow the guide. Okay. Now, on the other piece of paper, I've punched both sides, and this is to make the angel's wings. So on the scoring board, you lay your wings on the scoring board at the top, and we make a score line at every 2 centimetres. So it's really quick. And there we go, nice crisp lines. And then we do the same with the skirt. Every 2 centimetres, we make a score line. Okay. I've lost my scissors. Okay, so now we have our 2 pieces and we're ready to fold and to glue these together. So first of all, we're going to glue the skirt, and we fold the paper in concertina style. Quick and easy. Now, you could also use craft glue. For today, I'm going to use the glue gun because that's the quickest. So let's take that off. So here at the top, we're going to just do a little dot of glue. You can also use craft glue, and to hold it together, use a clothes peg to hold it closed until the glue dries. But with the glue gun, it's instant. So, and then the same on the other side. Just a small dot. Okay. So, that's the skirt made, and you just need to fan it out a little bit. There we go, and now we're going to do the wings, and that works in exactly the same way. Fold in concertina style. All the way down. You can also make these angels with wire-edged ribbon. That is also really nice. And then the same again in the middle. Just a little dot of glue. in every fold. fold that together. And then we turn it round and do the same on the inside. And just hold that together for a couple of seconds till the glue dries. And then with the wings, if you pull out the two outer flaps and just bend them a little bit, that they stay splayed. Okay. So now we're going to assemble the angel, and we do a little bit of glue on the top, and then we position our wings over the skirt. And wait a couple of seconds till that's dry. And then in the middle, some glue with a Christmas bauble and some silver and white hemp cord. And using our snowflake punch out 2 small snowflakes, and then just pop those on the front. And of course, one on the back. Oh. And there, in no time, have you a Christmas angel. Now, Christmas trees full of angels look absolutely fantastic, and you can also make them in any colour that you wish. I'll pop them back on the tree. There we go. I hope that was informative. If you've got any questions over the dimensions and the size of the paper, please contact our customer service department, and we'll be more than happy to give you all the information on our new pearl paper and the measurements for the angels. We wish you all, from Fasten Creative, a very Merry Christmas.